Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the realm of contemporary interior design, the modern bathroom stands as a testament to the marriage of functionality and aesthetic innovation. It is a space that transcends its utilitarian origins, evolving into a sanctuary of relaxation and style. Central to modern bathroom design is the concept of clean lines and uncluttered spaces. Sleek, minimalist fixtures and furnishings contribute to an open and airy atmosphere. Vanities with simple, yet elegant, designs often feature floating cabinets or pedestal sinks, adding to the sense of space and ease of maintenance. Materials in modern bathrooms are carefully selected to evoke a sense of luxury and modernity. The enduring appeal of natural stone, such as marble or granite, is often complemented by the sleekness of glass, chrome, or stainless steel. These materials not only elevate the visual aesthetics but also contribute to the ease of cleaning, a crucial aspect of modern design. Innovative lighting plays a pivotal role in modern bathroom design. Lighting designs often emphasize a balance between brightness for practical tasks and softer, mood-setting options for relaxation. The shower and bath areas have undergone a transformation in modern bathroom design. Open-concept showers with frameless glass enclosures promote a sense of spaciousness, while luxurious soaking tubs or freestanding tubs serve as focal points, often placed near large windows to invite natural light. Color palettes in modern bathrooms tend to favor neutral tones with occasional pops of color. Whites, grays, and earthy tones create a timeless and serene backdrop, allowing flexibility for personalization through accessories or accent tiles. Bold and vibrant hues may be sparingly used for a statement wall or in decorative elements. Storage solutions are seamlessly integrated into modern bathroom designs to maintain the clutter-free aesthetic. Wall-mounted cabinets, hidden shelving, and recessed niches provide ample storage without compromising on the overall design. These features contribute to the sense of order and simplicity that defines modern interior spaces. The integration of eco-friendly elements has become increasingly prevalent in modern bathroom design. Water-efficient fixtures, sustainable materials, and energy-efficient lighting contribute to a design ethos that is conscious of environmental impact. Ultimately, the modern bathroom design is a canvas for personal expression within a framework of functionality and innovation. It is a space where form meets function, creating a harmonious environment that embraces the ideals of contemporary living. Whether through the meticulous selection of materials, the thoughtful arrangement of fixtures, or the infusion of technological advancements, the modern bathroom stands as a testament to the ever-evolving landscape of interior design.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!